Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create text highlight effect in Photoshop. Real clicks. Select type tool and type to your text. Highlight one word only and also click rectangle tool. Draw rectangle behind word. Change rectangle color. Move rectangle layer below text, then press Ctrl plus T to resize the rectangle and text highlights. Lower rectangle opacity slightly, double click rectangle layers, and also add drop shadows softly. Align highlight properly, adjust spacing manually, zoom out to check each and everything in your project. Text looks emphasized, your effect is done.